Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can connect MyFxBook to MetaTrader 5. So please listen carefully to each steps that I will be explaining and doing. So before starting, you will make sure that you have MetaTrader 5 installed and your trading account logged in and your MyFxBook account ready. So first, you will log into your myfxbook.com and then you will click your avatar, which is right here on the top right, and what you will have to do is click settings and just wait for the settings to load. And once you are on your settings, what you will have to do is basically you will see add account right here, and then you will just have to click that. So just wait for it to load and then click add account, which is this orange button right here. And once you're there, you will just have to choose MetaTrader 5 or um MetaTrader, and depending on the method that you prefer. By the way, for the EA method, you will download the MyFX book AA installer from the MyFX help wizard, and you will just have to run it, then restart MT5, and then in MT5 you will just have to go to tools and then options and then expert advisors, and then enable the automated trading and DLL imports. And then you will open the navigator, then you will click view, then navigator, and then you will find experts, then my FX books EA, and then you will drag it onto the chart of the account that you would want to publish. And in the EA dialog, you will enter your MyFX login or email and then your password for the authorization details MyFX book gave. Then you will set the enable live data and click OK. And back on my FX book, you will just have to confirm that the account was added, and you will have to wait for a few minutes for the initial sync. And yeah, you can then verify the account in the connection tab and then generate an authorization password if needed. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if it was helpful for you, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.